In other news, the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST, is pushing for a comprehensive approach to address recurring floods. This includes watershed analysis, urban planning, drainage improvement, and stricter waste management. Rod Lagusad reports.
Integrated flood management. This is the solution that the Department of Science and Technology sees to decades-old flooding problems hounding various areas like Metro Manila. These days, there is no need for a tropical cyclone to hit for flooding to occur. Even just the effect of the southwest monsoon or hanging habagat can cause some areas to be submerged in floodwaters. According to Secretary Renato Saldum Jr., flood control is just a small aspect and is focused only on structural input.
When we talk about integrated flood management, you have to look at the whole watershed, from the mountain down to the river to the shoreline. And there are different types of flood. Also, how people practice waste management. Rivers and drainages are supposed to convey water. They're not supposed to convey trash, sofa, or refrigerator.
According to Saldum, this is a system or approach to analyze flood issues, such as checking the urbanization, the watershed situation, the capacity of existing drainage systems, the effects of construction, and waste management. He said some floods come from large rivers like the Pampanga River or the Agno River that serves as the traditional flood control as it can hold large amounts of water. While clogged drainage systems and tributaries can cause flooding in urbanized areas just like in Metro Manila. The secretary also said that rainwater is not absorbed fully as large portion of urbanized areas are now cemented, making the water flow into lower areas.
We need to look at the overall system collectively. Pag may construction ka, makaka-apekto yan sa drainage pattern. So, if you construct a rail or a building, you don't assume na hindi makaka-apekto yan kasi pwede nilang barahan yung daanan ng tubig. So, you don't only look at the field of engineering but geodetic, hydraulics, no? Mga hydrologists.
As these experts can lead proper water management such as collecting rainwater. The secretary also emphasized that this must go hand in hand with discipline in waste disposal. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.